In this video, we are going to learn about how to submit a bid for works tender. Visit the Karnataka Public Procurement Portal homepage and click on Login. Enter the valid username and password. Then click on Login. It is important to carefully review the tender details and documents before submitting the bid, as each tender is unique in its requirements. To submit a bid, bidder shall search for the tender. Click on Tender Management and click on Search Tenders tab. Select the procuring entity. Select the category as Works. Please make sure to enter the complete and valid tender number. Click on Search button. Now, bidder can able to view the tender. Tender details can be viewed by clicking on View Notice Inviting Tender Details icon. To obtain a copy of the tender details, click on Generate PDF option. Click on Download icon to download the tender details. Click on Back button to go back to the Search Tenders page. To download the tender related document, click on three dots, then click on Download Tender Document icon. Bidders can raise any queries related to the tender by clicking on the three dots and selecting the Submit Queries for this tender icon. Enter the document name. Enter the page number or section name. Enter the statement. Enter the query. Click on Submit Query. If the query submission date and time are over, bidder shall not have the option to raise the query. Click on the Back button to return to the Search Tender page. To view the department's response to the bidder's query, bidder can click on three dots and select the View Query Responses icon. Here, bidder can view and download all the queries for the tender. Click on Back button to return to the Search Tender page. To view the addendum issued for the tender, click on three dots. Click on View Addendum for this tender icon. Click on the Back button to return to the Search Tender page. To view the corrigendum issued for the tender, click on three dots. Click on View Corrigendum for this tender icon. Click on Back button to return to the Search Tender page. Now, to submit the bid, click on Submit the bid for this tender icon. It navigates to the bid submission page. Bidders shall complete all required actions on this page to submit their bid. Click on Tender Processing Fee. Bidder shall pay the tender fee amount prescribed for the tender. Choose the convenient mode of payment. Here, bidder is making payment through net banking. Click on Proceed to Pay. We recommend that bidders carefully review the terms and conditions before finalizing the transaction to ensure that bidders are fully informed. To initiate the payment process, click on Pay button. Click on Continue. It navigates to the payment gateway. After the payment has been successfully processed, bidders shall be redirected to the merchant website where they can view the payment status. To return to the bid submission page, click on Close button. Click on EMD payment to pay the EMD amount prescribed for the tender, and it should be in a single transaction. Choose the convenient mode of payment. Here, bidder is making payment through net banking. Click on Proceed to Pay. If Part E payment and rest bank guarantee is enabled, bidder can pay the Part E payment between specified EMD e-payment amount and total EMD amount. Enter the EMD amount. If the bidder is not willing to pay the total EMD amount, Then he has to provide the BG for remaining amount. Selecting the refund account is mandatory for the bidder to receive their EMD refund. If the EMD refund account is not displayed in the drop-down menu, it means that the bidder has not verified the refund account. Bidder can verify the refund account under My Profile in the Manage Statutory tab. We recommend that bidders carefully review the terms and conditions before finalizing the transaction to ensure that bidders are fully informed. To initiate the payment process, click on Pay button. Click on Continue. It navigates to the payment gateway. After the payment has been successfully processed, bidder will be redirected to the merchant website where they can view the payment status. To return to the bid submission page, click on Close button. In this tender, bidder has paid the Part E payment, hence the Upload Bank Guarantee option is enabled. Click on Upload Bank Guarantee document to upload the bank guarantee related document. Upload the bank guarantee document. Bidders are requested to upload the BG for full EMD amount if opted for full EMD through BG option in EMD payment page. Click on Continue. General conditions of eligibility. Bidders shall check the eligibility conditions applicable for the tender and submit related information. Click on General conditions of eligibility. Read and understand the criterion description. Then select the compliance and add remarks if required. Follow the same steps for remaining criteria. Click on Save and Continue. Bidders shall adhere to the technical criteria entered by tender inviting authority for the tender and upload relevant documents. Click on Technical Qualification Criteria. To respond to the criteria, click on Submit Criteria icon. If the bidder selects the compliance as yes, they will be given the option to upload the relevant criteria document. If the bidder selects the compliance as no, they will not be given the option to upload the criteria document. If compliance is selected as yes, add the remarks if any, upload the documents. On the right hand side, bidder will get a notification as file uploaded successfully. Enter the remarks if any. To respond to the next criteria, click on Save and Get Next Criteria and follow the same steps as previously outlined. To go back to the previous criteria, click on Save and Get Previous Criteria option. After responding to all the criteria, click on Save and Continue. Click on Upload Bid Documents to upload all the bid related documents. If the mandatory option is set as yes, uploading the document is compulsory for the bidder. If the mandatory option is set as no, uploading the document is optional for the bidder. Check the document name. Upload the document. Enter the remarks if any. Follow the same steps to upload the remaining documents. If the bidders want to provide additional documents, they can use the designated Additional Documents section to upload them. Click on Save and Continue. Click on Item-wise Bid Financial Offer. Click on Continue to Sign. Click on Select Certificate. Select the valid DAC. Click on Select Certificate. Enter the user PIN. Click on Login. Bidder will get a notification as signing completed. Click on OK. By clicking on Continue, bidder will be directed to the Bid Items page. In accordance with Financial Department Circular number FD 417 EXP 12 2024 dated 9/8/2024. Bidders are required to submit their financial codes excluding GST. If the commercial bid type is item wise, bidder has to quote a unit rate excluding GST and including other taxes for each item. If the commercial bid type is lump sum, bidder has to quote a total amount excluding GST and including other taxes for whole tender. Click on View Pricing Details icon to quote rates to the items. Quote the rate per quantity excluding GST and including other taxes. If the bidder would like to provide the breakup of taxes included in the quoted rate, bidder can mention it by clicking on the Add Tax Breakup icon. Select the component, select the value, then enter the bidder tax value and enter the remarks if required. Then click on Add. To provide the breakup of tax for the next item, click on Next Item option and follow the same steps. To get back to the previous item, click on Previous Item option. Click on Back button to get back to the item pricing details page. Quote the rate per quantity excluding GST and including other taxes and provide the tax breakups, if any, for the remaining items. Click on Continue. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining sub-estimate. If a buyback item is included in the tender, then bidder has to quote the unit rate that is equal or more than the minimum buyback value. Click on Continue. The total buyback items amount will be deducted from the total bid items amount to get the total net amount. Click on Save and Continue. Bidder shall ensure that all actions are completed before moving forward to complete the final action. Click on Declaration. Bidder shall read the declaration and accept the same. Click on Save and Continue. Failure to submit accurate and complete information as per the procuring entity requirement for the above actions may result in disqualification from the tender process. Click on Bid Submission Summary. Click on Continue to Sign. Click on Select Certificate and select the valid DSC. Click on Select Certificate. Enter the user PIN. Click on Login. Bidder will get a notification as signing completed. Click on OK. Click on Continue. Bidder can view all the details that were entered during the bid submission process and download the same by clicking on Generate PDF option. Click on Sign and Submit. Click on Sign and Encrypt. Complete the sign and encryption process by selecting the valid DSC key. Once the sign and encryption is completed, click on Submit Bid. Bidders will get a pop-up message stating that the bid has been submitted successfully for the tender number along with a bid number and submitted date and time. In this demo video, we learnt about how to submit a bid for works tender. Bidders shall submit their bid before tender closing date and time. The information presented in this video is not associated with any individual. It is intended solely for educational and training purposes. If you are experiencing any challenges while submitting your bid, kindly contact the help desk for assistance prior to the tender closing date and time. Thank you for watching this video.